guys, Portia here. I am finally back. Just want to wish you guys a happy new year, happy Valentine's Day. We just celebrated that. I just celebrated my birthday, which was also on Valentine's Day. So everything is new, right? so I just wanted to come on and share some things with you guys that I hadn't really shared or I didn't get a chance to share in 2019 because some things happened and then we had the holidays and stuff like that. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that late last year I had a family member pass away, and so I took a little break from YouTube and a little bit from Instagram as well, just to go through the grieving process. And then shortly after that, we had Thanksgiving and Christmas come around. So it was just really busy with family events and things like that. And we traveled a little bit. And so now that we're in February, we're a little bit more settled. And so I'm trying to make a comeback here on YouTube and to update you guys on what's been going on behind the scenes, because we have been doing a lot. And when I say we, I mean my husband. We officially started an LLC in September of 2019, and I wanted to share that stuff with you, as well as our first experience with buying wholesale and all that, because it's just been a whirlwind. Okay, so backtracking to September 2019, we decided to start a LLC because we wanted to, we just saw ourselves scaling the business, the reselling business, and we wanted to be able to purchase things wholesale. If you don't know, at least in North Carolina anyway, in order for us to purchase things wholesale, we needed to be an established business and have an EIN, which is your tax identification number. And then you can apply for a resale license. So we went through the process of filling out the short application to do our LLC, and we paid the fee for that. And the results came back quickly. We were established as of September 18th, 2019. And from there, we applied for our EIN, which was another short application, and then the business license for the state of North Carolina. And that was another quick application we did online. So everything was super simple. I watched a few videos on YouTube, as well as found some websites to kind of assist us with filling those things out, because sometimes the language on those documents can be a little confusing to someone like me who doesn't understand all that jargon. So we did find some websites that helped us to fill those applications out. And so we are official, right? So from there, in November, we decided to go ahead and place our first wholesale orders. And going through that process just took a lot of research, because we wanted to find things that were, one, going to bring us back, a good profit or, good income, and that could also be replenishable items. So items that we can purchase over and over again, and items that buyers will purchase over and over again. So that was really important for us as we were looking into products to buy. And so with our first order, we ordered from one apparel company out of California. And then the second part of that first wholesale order was a general merchandise order from a wholesaler here in North Carolina, which was like awesome. I'm so glad we found them, because they have been really, really good with the products that they distribute to resellers like us. So I'm grateful. Going through the process of finding wholesalers, it's still difficult. It's not super, at least in my opinion, it's not super easy to find them. And then decent ones and ones that you can trust. So that's going to be an ongoing thing for us. But as far as how I search for them, I honestly, guys, I just put in wholesalers in the U.S. because I haven't kind of gone into overseas distributors and stuff like that yet. We are looking into some things, especially when it comes to our Amazon account, as far as maybe having some manufacturers overseas to produce a product for us, because we are thinking of doing private label soon. But we still have a lot of work to do with that because we're trying to build our brand and all that stuff. So, but for now, I was like, okay, let's look for wholesalers in the U.S. because it'll just be easier, shipping will be quick and stuff like that. So I literally just put into Google wholesalers in the U.S. Click the search button, and there's was a list of websites that came up, and I found a website that was and has been super beneficial to us as far as finding wholesalers. So so that's kind of how our first wholesale order went, and things came very quickly. I think from both of those places, from California, I think that one was here within 3 days, and then from the wholesaler in North Carolina, it came within maybe like 2 days. I mean, shipping was really quick. So I have sold out of some of the items that we purchased, but I do want to do a separate video where I'm showing you guys exactly what we purchased and at least what we have left. I may put up pictures for the things that have sold out so you guys can see that. I want to post this too on Instagram. I'm not sure how I would do it picture wise. I may just have to do it in a post, but not super savvy on Instagram like that. But I will try to also do it there because I have a larger following on Instagram. And if you're not following me, follow your girl, Dove Darby Posh, on Instagram. Okay, I try to stay a little more consistent with my Instagram, letting you guys know what's going on. So it went really, really well with the wholesale. If you don't know, a lot of times these wholesalers will require a resale license before you can order things. Some wholesalers don't, but in my experience, I've found that a lot of them do require that you have a resale license. So if you are looking to go down that road, you want to scale your business and grow, it will be beneficial for you to go ahead and go through the process, establish yourself as a business, and get your tax identification number and go ahead and apply for the resale license, because that way you have it, you're good to go. The bad thing is when you're on a website, you want to go ahead and purchase things from them, and then they're like, okay, we need a copy of resale license, and you don't have it. You're ready to go, you're ready to purchase, but you don't have everything that you need. That's a really bad feeling. So to avoid that, I would definitely suggest going ahead and doing all the business stuff on the back end so that when you're ready to purchase from a wholesaler, you can, bam, send them the information they need. And they're very quick. In my experience, they've been very quick to get back in touch and let you know that, okay, your account is set up, you can go ahead and order. So that's just a tip for you guys if you're looking into doing wholesale as well. So in my next video, I want to show you guys what I purchased, what I have left, so you guys can see what we've been selling. So, and just to give you inside, everything has not been a winner as far as bringing in bukus and bukus of profit. We have had some losses, which is to be expected. So I'll probably go over that kind of stuff in the next video while I'm showing you the merchandise. So I want to keep it like 100 on that. So even with us doing our research, the market can change, what's trending can change. So, you just never know. But we did spend a lot of time in the research process before we ordered these items, and some of them did really, really well, and others not so well, but I will show you guys that in the next video. So if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching and just keeping up with me, whether here on YouTube or on Instagram. I definitely appreciate your support, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.